Okay, today's quick lunch. I'm gonna use this Buah Keluak black nut. I bought this from Tika Market. The guy sort of cracked the nut and then took out the flesh, so you don't have to do it. One pack. So I'm gonna use this to make black garlic fried rice with some leftover rice. It's a mix of brown and white rice. A bit here. 2 heads of garlic. This needs to be very garlicky. 1 onion. Scallion. 1 stalk. And because I have a lot of celery in the fridge and I need to use it, I'm going to put some celery in as well. So this is simple fried rice, black fried rice, very tasty, very nice, very savory. So let's make it. This is a very Peranakan ingredient in Southeast Asia. So those that are not in Singapore probably not very familiar with this. So I'm going to mash this up. So normally by the time I would like slice all of them thinly, but because it's a quick lunch I'm just going to smash them and then chop it up. Because slicing them takes quite a bit of time. And this is just a quick lunch. Just take off the skin and then mince it. Black nut in. Put some chili powder. This chili powder is not very hot. It's more fragrant. Onion. Rice. Put a bit of soy sauce. Here you go. Black garlic fried rice. How does it look? Oishi.